Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Gojo. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with Gojo, let's begin with the top of his blindfold. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up and then down. Next, starting here, I'm going to go down and in, and then down and in. Next, I'm going to start in, and I'm going to go out and down. So we'll start in and go out and then down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to curve it up. I'm going to go down and then curve it back up. Next, I'm going to bring this line down at an angle and bring this line down at an angle. Then I'm going to bring this line in, and I'm going to bring this line in. Next, I'll bring this line down, and I'll bring this line down. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to come across and up. And then we'll just kind of bring these all the way down. Next, I'm going to bring a line down. And then I'm going to make two little lines like this for the nose. Then I'm going to make a line across for the mouth, with a little diagonal line on each side. Then we'll make a line that's going to come down and then up here. I'll make a line that comes over, down and up and over. Same thing, over, down and up, and then over for like some sharp teeth. Next, I'm going to make a line here and a line right here. Now, starting here for his ears, I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to come down and then into here. Same thing here. I'm going to bring this line up. We're going to come down and then into here. Make a line that comes up and down, and then same thing, up and then down. Make a curved line here and then a curved line here. Little curve here, little curve here. Now, starting right here at the bottom of the ear, let's bring a line that's going to come out and then in. Same thing here, we're just going to go out and then in. Go in and out a couple times, and then in and out a couple times here. I'm going to bring this down, over, and up. Then right here, we're going to go down, make it a little bumpy, and then come back down. I'm going to make a line that comes out here and a line that comes out here. Then I'm going to bring this down on each side. Now for the hair, I'm going to start here and I'm going to bring a line that's going to come out and in, out and in. And then same thing here, we're going to go out and in, out and in. You can do them different sizes. Now I'm going to make some of these lines go out, and then some will kind of curve up. Kind of same thing here, make some smaller ones and some big ones. Then when I get up to here, I'm going to start making these kind of go more up to a point at like this. I might make a few of these lines kind of curve in a little bit more. Then I'll bring some lines up, some other lines up, and then a few more lines out here, and then a couple more right there. And there you go, there is your drawing of Gojo. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.